Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 42 Ellis Road here in Tankerton. Now this is an extended 1930s semi-detached house giving you 3 double bedrooms and a fantastic amount of ground floor reception space. Now, coming straight through in off of the main hallway space here, we're going to go straight through and take a look at the cloakroom. So, of course, you can see here, nice and modern, fantastic finish. And coming back through to the front, we'll go through to the lounge. Now, you'll see that the lounge and the dining room spaces have been opened up to create one large reception room, but with that clear separation in the middle. So, got that wonderful big window there, just overlooking the front driveway with all of that wonderful parking space as well. And the lounge itself, fantastic size, and the dining room itself, another fantastic size room as well. Now you do still have all of the characteristics of a traditional 1930s house, which is wonderful. It's nice when you can keep some of the character within the property. Now coming back through into the main entrance hallway space, we'll go through to the end of the property and take a look at the kitchen. Now the kitchen itself here, again, really nice finish, wonderful little farmhouse feel to it, and of course with that little breakfast area just before the kitchen space there. So plenty of worktop space, plenty of storage here as well, and of course you've got the spaces under the counter for the utilities. Now the conservatory here, of course, all completely double glazed, is a really nice space to have. Gives you just that really valuable bit of extra reception room space just off of the garden. So a really nice addition to the property here, butting onto the side of the extension. Now coming out into the rear garden here, you'll see that we've got really nice easy space to maintain, plenty of decked area here to give you that entertainment space, and you can see at the end of the garden there, of course, you do have the shed but also the garage as well. So garage and shed, or workshop space, however you'd like to use it, really conveniently located. So just looking back at the property now, you can see the full extent of that extension encompassing that kitchen space and of course the extended bedroom upstairs. So let's go upstairs now and take a look at the bedrooms and the family bathroom. So here we are upstairs, of course, coming straight through into the extended bedroom first. Really nice amount of space in here. So I said earlier on in the tour, you do have 3 double bedrooms with this property, and that is most certainly the case. So coming through here into the extended bedroom, plenty of room in here for the double bed and for storage as well. Now coming through into the rear of the 2 bedrooms at the side here, plenty of room in here for the double bed, and of course you've got those storage cupboards already fitted in either side as well. So nice little outlook over the rear garden there, nice and light and bright and airy. And coming back through into the landing space now, we'll go through and take a look at the front bedroom. Now, of course, you can see again another double-sized room with plenty of room in here for the double bed and for storage as well, with that little window at the front and just overlooking all of the driveway space. So I really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today. Of course, we're going to finish up here by taking a look at the bathroom at the front of the property. I'm sure you've got plenty of questions for us here. Of course, this is number 42 Ellis Road in Tankerton, located only a few short moments away from the main high street, and then of course on to the seafront. This is an extended 1930s semi-detached home giving you 3 double bedrooms and a wonderful amount of ground floor reception space. So don't forget, if you do like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, give us a call today to book your own free valuation.